The lengths of the two legs of a right triangle are 4 centimeters and 8 centimeters. The length h in centimeters of the hypotenuse of the right triangle can be determined using the equation shown below. So 4 squared plus h squared equals h squared. What they're doing is they're using Pythagorean theorem, right? Pythagorean theorem says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it doesn't matter what you label a and b as long as you label the longest side c. They labeled 4a, they labeled 8b, and so that's where they got 4 squared plus 8 squared equals h squared. What is the length in centimeters of the hypotenuse of the right triangle? So we're just going to continue this problem. 4 squared is 16. 8 squared is 64. That equals h squared. 16 plus 64 is going to be 80 exactly. So 80 equals h squared. Now, in order to solve for h, to undo a square, you need to square root both sides. So we're going to square root 80. We're going to square root that. Okay, the h is now h. h is going to equal the square root of 80. Now, you could simplify that square root, but it's not an exact number. Looks like they don't want you to. They just want you to say square root of 80. So they kind of give you the beginning of the problem, then they kind of don't finish the problem. It's kind of nice.